Chemical kinetics, part 3, integrated rate equation by Sushma Pandey, RSBM. Rate law is a relation between rate is equal to concentration integration constant K and concentration of R. Integrated rate equation, rate is equal to K, concentration of A is first order, rate is equal to K, concentration of A to the power 2 second order. Similarly, for zero order reaction, so rate expression is zero order reaction. Zero order reaction means rate of reaction is proportional to zero power of the concentration of the reactants. Let us suppose a hypothetical reaction R gives product P. So rate is equal to minus dR by dt proportional to R to the power 0, or rate is equal to minus dR by dt is equal to integration rate constant K, concentration of R to the power 0, or dR by dt is equal to K R to the power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1, so minus dR by dt is equal to K, or dR is equal to minus K dt. Integrating the equation to both sides. Integration of dR is equal to minus integration of K dt. We get concentration of R is equal to minus KT plus I, because integration of dR is equal to R. R is integration constant. Let T is equal to 0. Concentration of R is equal to R naught. So R naught is equal to minus K into 0 plus I. So I is equal to R naught. Putting the value in equation 4, R naught is equal to minus KT plus R naught, or KT is equal to R naught minus R, or K is equal to R naught minus concentration of R by T. It is the rate expression for zero order reaction. If we explain the relation graphically, equation 5 is straight line equation y is equal to mx plus c. If we plot of graph concentration R versus T time T, K is equal to minus slope and intercept is equal to R naught. Example of zero order reaction is decomposition of ammonia at platinum surface at 1130 Kelvin. So R is equal to K NH3 to the power 0. Decomposition of 2HI at gold surface H2 plus I2. Half-life. Half-life of a reaction is the time taken in which concentration of a reactant is reduced to 1/2 of its initial concentration. It is represented by T half. T half for zero order reaction. Rate expression for zero order reaction K is equal to R naught minus R by T, or T is equal to R naught minus R by K, or T half is equal to R naught by 2 is equal to R. T half is equal to R naught minus R naught by 2 by K, or finally we get T half is equal to R naught by 2K. So T half proportional to R naught. So half life of zero order reaction depends upon initial concentration.